Hello everybody. Today I'm bringing you a video of a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. I'm scanning with the Xtool D8. Just trying out the connectivity of the unit and how it moves around, the smoothness with a different vehicle. It connected well. It did a lot of the functions actually. It actually pulled up a lot of things I wanted. Pulled up the mileage. It pulled up if I wanted to make a key, create a new remote, tested a lot of the systems, and unbelievably, this car was from an auction, and it's almost scary. No warning lights on the dash, and the Xtool came back with no failures at all. It came back good. I mean, there was no errors, which is pretty unreal at an auction. The vehicle wasn't a bad looking car or little van. What else can I say? I tried different things. I did check if the Xtool would connect as a mileage correction, and I did not, for the record, did not change anything at all. I only wanted to see if it would connect, and it did connect. I also checked if it did the immobilizer programming. As I stated before, it did connect with no problem. It did live data. Live data connected very well. As he revved up, it made changes and it showed everything accurate and fast. So it's pretty impressive how the Xtool D8 connects to this vehicle. I'll tell you, I've been noticing that the Xtool does really good with your run-of-the-mill popular vehicle models from major manufacturers. It does a lot of the features. But that's understandable since, it'd be stupid to sell a tool that doesn't work with, let's say, a Town & Country, which is basically a caravan, which there's millions of those everywhere, all over the planet. Or let's say a Ford F-150 or something of the likes. So, yeah, it connects to those really good. I'm not going to do a tutorial. Basically, I'm just moving around the video, and you can watch as I do different things and tryouts and see the smoothness without any hang-ups of the Xtool D8 with the minivan. All right. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day. Enjoy the video.